Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another segment of what's for breakfast style, and this is going to be some waffle tacos with some delicious home style potatoes. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, and we're back. So to make these waffle tacos and the homestyle potatoes, these will be the ingredients you'll need as you see here. And we're going to start firstly with our homestyle potatoes. We're going to just pour a little bit of olive oil into our preheated skillet with about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of butter, depends on your preference. And we're just going to allow that to heat up our pan, get all nice and glazed up, ready for the potatoes. I have already pre-chopped up, diced up. I left a little bit of skin on some of the potatoes just for added texture. And that's what we're going to do first. Put them in the pan, get them incorporated with that butter and that olive oil, and we just want to basically cook the potatoes through. So now that the potatoes are fully incorporated with the olive oil and the butter, and we want to allow them to cook some more, I'm going in with some red and green bell peppers as well as some yellow onion. This will add in some delicious extra flavor and some extra color. Don't we all love color in our food? Amen to that. And don't think I forgot, with that extra color, you definitely have to season your food. So with these potatoes, I'm adding in some sea salt, some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, some parsley flakes for color, slap your mama seasoning, the best ever. And here are the seasonings. I just put everything together and I'm just adding those to the potatoes so they have some flavor cooking down. And also, these are the seasonings I'm mainly using for these potatoes, so I'm having those still on hand to reach back for once the potatoes have thoroughly cooked down some and softened up, because potatoes sometimes do take a lot of seasoning in order for you to get that flavor you want when it comes to making homestyle potatoes. Now that we have the seasonings inside our skillet, we're just going to mix everything together, get everything so nice and seasoned up. We're going to allow these potatoes to cook thoroughly through, okay? Place a lid on it and just let the magic happen. All right, y'all, so let's move on to the next step. Here I'm using some Krusteaz buttermilk, light and fluffy pancake mix. It acts as a waffle mix as well, as long as the consistency, as you see here, is perfect, okay? I normally like to add some cinnamon, some vanilla, a little bit of French vanilla creamer sometimes. That's a big sometimes, if I just feel like it. And here I have some melted butter, and I'm going to be just making sure I rub generously in this mini waffle maker by Dash so nothing sticks, and it adds some extra little flavor to those waffles. This waffle mix is the best, hands down, next best thing when I do not feel like making homemade waffle / pancake mix. It is the next best thing in my opinion. It is so delicious, and it definitely does give you that homemade feel when you use this brand. So as you see, it takes no time to make these waffles. When I tell y'all the smell in the kitchen with these waffles, mouth watering. These waffles were hands down the best ever. Like, I had to spoil myself when I was making these waffles and just have one to the side to just nibble on, because that's just how good the waffles smelled and were. They were fluffy, light, delicious, okay? So it takes no time to make these waffles. If you prefer a more golden brown like you see here, I pressed the waffle maker down twice when I did see, the first time it was a little light golden, then the second time it was perfect, as you saw here. So it doesn't hurt. One thing about this Dash waffle maker is it won't burn your things, okay? As long as you are watching it. I truly hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. And make sure you guys go ahead and press that thumbs up for me. Thank you. Now that I've made all the waffles and they're ready to go, I went ahead and made some delicious fluffy cheese egg and some of these Smithfield fully cooked pork sausages. These are really delicious. When I do feel like sometimes I want to eat a little bit of pork, I do go for these. And here are the Homestyle potatoes. They didn't come out quite how I really wanted them to come out, but they were still very delicious. So I have everything ready for these waffle tacos. There's nothing left to do but get ready. Make sure your hands is washed because we're about to eat, y'all, okay? So here I am putting these waffles in this cute little taco tray that I got from Amazon. I have it linked below so y'all can check it out for yourselves. It's so cute. Here I'm putting half of the pork sausage. I cut it in half so it's easier to fit and you get a piece in every bite. Some of these delicious cheese eggs as well inside of the waffles. And just assemble it however you like to assemble it. Make the presentation look up to par, okay? We love a good presentation around here. Then I serve up a delicious side of the Homestyle potatoes. Make sure you got a little ketchup to the side if you decide to want to just, dibble and dabble your potatoes in some ketchup. Have some syrup on the side to dip my waffle taco. And here it is, you guys, the completed, finished, what's for breakfast segment. Waffle tacos with Homestyle potatoes. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos and that notification bell so you won't miss a beat. And I will see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.